Maraming salamat po. Nandito kayo. Grabe, nakakaiyak pa.
Wow, dami.
Dami. Hi, everybody. Friends, family, sponsors, supporters, Winkies! And of course, our media partners. Maraming salamat po. Ako po si Jelly Mateo. Thank you so much, Justy. What a wonderful, wonderful opening for the evening. Maraming salamat po. Nakakakilabot po yung moment na pinaghirapan namin for 2 years. It's finally here, not just for Wing, but for the whole team of Flip Music. Bojam, mag-hello ka naman.
Oh, the man of few words, but very wonderful beat.
Yeah, thank you for coming and sobrang nakakatabayan ng puso ng daming tao.
Totoo po yan. Sa mga tao po nandito at hindi pa po masyadong familiar sa Flip Music, we are a sound production house. We're almost 15 years old. Baka po narinig nyo na rin po yung iba naming mga kantang nagawa sa inyo. Hindi nyo man lang alam ang Flip Music. But we might have been part of your life, singing, crying, and dancing all those 15 years. Just for a second. Before Flip Music was Flip Music, allow me, indulge me 2 minutes. Imagine a man in a small apartment in his personal computer, tinkering with his computer and PlayStation 1, creating music for artists. An artist for artists. Tapos merong makeshift studio na mas maliit pa sa telephone booth. And yung soundproofing ay gawa sa egg cartons. That's how we started. That's Bojam right there. Before Flip Music was Flip Music, gumagawa na siya ng kanta. Not because he wanted fame, not because he wanted anything for himself, but for the pure joy and love of the craft. And then from there, as divine intervention would have it, nag-reconnect sila ni Direct Nolan, his partner, our partner, who's a musical a director naman po for music videos. And then Pau Chavez, where are you? Hey! One of our partners as well. Ayan, and then si Pau po asked me to join and kailangan na po ako ng composer, producer nun. And Pau recommended Bojam that I create an album. Needless to say, it was an album and a lifetime collaboration. I never left na po, and that's how Flip Music was born. And a few years later po, sumama po sa amin si Miss Nika Del Rosario, a very, very talented singer-songwriter that propelled us to greater heights to what you know of Flip Music right now. Bojam, na-speechless ka ba dun sa intro ko?
Hindi ko expect. Pinig na ako.
Siyempre kasi culmination niya. It's not just a debut, I think. It's a love letter to our younger selves. 15 years ago, we were just kids who dreamt of changing, contributing our music, our stories, and amplifying other people's stories as well. So maraming salamat po for being a part of that journey. Lahat po kayo nandyan kasama.
Palakpakan po natin our Flip Music CEO!